Adding an end screen to your YouTube videos
like this
help to increase your views for your video. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add an end screen in your YouTube studio. Hello everyone, my name is Harjiman Singh and I'm going to be doing tech tutorials. So before we get started, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. Now on with today's video.
Now, before we add the end screen, you really want to make sure that you have about 5 to 10 seconds at the end of your video to put these end cards. You know, maybe add a video or a subscribe button and people are going to click on that. So, you can either talk or you can have an end card screen template like what I do. Now, you're wondering how to add it in the YouTube studio. So, let's jump into it. Now, I'm going to show you how you can add it when you're uploading a video. Okay. So you start off with the details page. To go to the end screen part, you must go to the video elements. You can either click here or you can just click next. Okay. So as you can see here, there is an add an end screen button. So if you have none so far, you're probably not going to see this button, import from video. But that's alright. We just press add. Okay. It will bring us to the end screen part. So you can either take all these different templates here. So I'm just going to choose this template, a subscribe button and a video. Okay, and you can adjust the timing for this end screen. I want it to come right at the end. So I'm going to pull it to the very down. Okay, so you can preview it.
Yummy! I'm so full!
Yep, this is perfect. So you can either move it around. I'm just going to put it here. Yes, this is perfect. Now you can press save. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how you can add an end screen if you have already uploaded a video. So I'm going to use this as an example. Just press these details and it will bring you to this page. Now you scroll down a little bit and you can see here an end screen. Press this button and again we'll bring this to the end screen page. So again I'm going to make this as my end screen and I'm going to pull this timeline to the very end. That's where I want it to appear. Okay, so let me just move this a little bit and
I'm so full!
yes, this is perfect for me. And you can just press save and it will automatically save it. I'm just gonna skip to the part where it appears and
I'm so full!
as you can see it appears and you can click this or you can click this.
If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!